Hi, it's Amy with WTI. If you're a video creator or you just like to capture those precious moments in life, this L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer for your cell phone is a tool you definitely want to check out. What does a gimbal do? It helps to stabilize your video. It's so easy to use. You just open it up, you pop your cell phone in, and I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max with a slim case. Then you press and hold the power button for a couple seconds and it comes to life. I can't get over how much I love this gimbal. Seriously, not only has it transformed my video content, but it has unlocked many new ways for me to express my creativity, such as low angle shooting or face tracking, and even time lapse if you want to install the Gimbal Pro app. I want to show you a quick side-by-side example. Here I'm walking and you can see some bouncing, but on the gimbal side, you can see it's so much more stable. One of my favorite features is the panoramic recording. The gimbal does all the work for me, much more of a professional job. The battery life is really good. I got through an entire wedding and had plenty of power left. The handle is very comfortable. I've got a medium-sized hand, so if you've got a larger hand and feel you want more handle to grab hold of, you can keep the stand attached and it gives plenty of room with the added bonus of opening up the legs when you want to place it down. It's so easy to travel with. It folds right up into its bag and I throw it in my backpack or purse. Whether you're a video creator or an aspiring one, you will want to check out this L7C Pro Gimbal. The value you get for the price is awesome. I think you're going to be really happy with this, and that's my point of view.